thank you, Tom, and for all the work you do on our bike ride. I have an honor today to introduce two extraordinary people from the great state of Maine, where I'm lucky enough to spend summers. First, I want to introduce our Leadership Award recipient, Elsie Flemings. Elsie is the Executive Director of Healthy Acadia, which is a nonprofit community health coalition in Maine's mostly rural Washington and Hancock counties. It's dedicated to making life easier for people to make healthy choices and take care of their families. It makes nutritious food available, ensures the community spaces are safe, supports substance prevention and recovery, and just provides for a wide variety of health needs. Elsie is all about building vibrant communities and making it easier for people to lead healthier lives. She has created at Healthy Acadia the Down East Cancer Patient Navigation Project, working with patients and healthcare providers with resources such as support groups, transportation assistance, diet and lifestyle counseling, and tobacco cessation classes. So we are excited to honor her today. And I'm going to ask her to come up, but I'm also going to ask our guest, Congressman Jared Golden, to come up. Congressman Golden is brand new to the Congress. He was elected last year. He serves Maine's 2nd Congressional District, which is important because it is the largest geographic district east of the Mississippi River. Congressman Golden is a U.S. Marine Corps veteran, having served in Iraq and Afghanistan. He has also served in the Maine State Legislature, and he is the first member of Congress elected by ranked choice voting. And if you don't know what that is, look it up. Anyway, we're delighted to have both of these extraordinary public service, Elsie and Congressman Golden, if you'll come up and help us present the award to her.
Thank you very much, everyone here. Thank you for all the work you do, and happy to swing in, getting to know Congress and the cycle of things here. So you can imagine that right now I have 2 committee hearings going on at once, but wanted to come down here and recognize Elsie. I think what I'll just say very quickly about Maine, and then maybe help you understand the importance of the work she does. Largest congressional district east of the Mississippi River that I represent, but really it's a big state. But it's a very small town at the same time, and access to care in such a big rural area is really difficult. It's one of the things that I've worked on and talked about a lot in the Maine legislature. Is often one, limited resources that are available, and even those that are there can be hard to access. So having someone who's there to help navigate the community and connect people with resources, whether they be the medical resources, the healthcare treatment resources, but also just what's out there in the community in terms of support, and geez, the transportation issue. I don't think I could possibly say enough about how important it is. And I've done a lot of work with that on veterans in particular. Maine is the oldest state per capita in the nation, so you can imagine that there's a lot of healthcare needs out there, and I know cancer doesn't impact any one age group, but we certainly have a big need in Hancock and Washington County. So thank you so much for the work that you're doing for the people in our community. I'm awfully proud of you and the work you're doing in Healthy Acadia. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Representative Golden. Thank you, Donna and Bill. Just thank you all so much for this honor. I so appreciate and admire all that you do, representatives and senators here in this esteemed place, the legislative aides who are here, thank you so much. The students, the providers, medical providers, community advocates, you all make such a difference in our world in helping people lead healthy lives, in preventing the tragedy of cancer, and in helping people have positive outcomes and live long and healthy lives. I'm so grateful to Less Cancer and University of Virginia for coordinating this wonderful and greatly needed day. Cancer prevention is an extraordinary passion for me personally and for my organization, Healthy Acadia. As Donna said, we're a nonprofit serving primarily northeastern Maine, known as Down East Maine, and working on issues of community and public health across a wide variety of issues, as Donna mentioned, responding to the health needs of our region, to the community members, and helping all people to thrive and meet their potential. While we work across a wide variety of issues, much of what we do is in fact connected to cancer prevention, from increasing access to healthy foods, to supporting physical activity for all people, from addressing environmental concerns like high levels of arsenic in well water and radon in homes, to implementing tobacco prevention and cessation initiatives. We also coordinate cancer patient navigation services, as Donna mentioned, to support individuals along the cancer recovery journey and to improve outcomes. This work touches me and many of my team deeply and personally. I have lost loved ones far too young to the tragedy of cancer, as I know many of us have. And like less cancer, and like all of us in the room today, we know that these cancers can indeed, many of them can indeed be prevented or cured if people have the right access to healthy opportunities and high-quality health care. My extraordinary dedicated staff, volunteers, and partners are responsible for this award. They work tirelessly to make the healthy choices possible for all people, to build systems to enable all people to lead healthy lives, and to address the challenges that we face in our rural and underserved communities. So on behalf of all of them, I thank you, and I share my deepest gratitude to you all for your leadership in preventing cancer and promoting health. Thank you so much.